Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, today makes day 5 of my 8 days of Diwali, and in today's video, I'm going to be sharing another Parsad recipe, a little different from the original Guyanese style flour Parsad. I'm going to be doing a cream of wheat Parsad. Now this type of Parsad is actually very popular in Trinidad. I know in some parts of Guyana they do make it, but it is not as popular. And when I say cream of wheat, it is basically also known as semolina. It's also known as Suji, if that's what you know it as too. And you can find it at the West Indian store or the Indian store. As I mentioned in my intro to the 8 days of Diwali, Mother Lakshmi has 8 different forms. And in this 5th recipe, we are going to be dedicating it to the 5th form of Mother Lakshmi, also known as Santan Lakshmi, or the light of fertility and progeny. And once again, I know you guys are noticing these great outfits that I've been wearing. If you would like to purchase something like this, please go ahead and look for Lotus Bazaar. I want to thank Kavita over at Lotus Bazaar for gifting me this outfit and many other outfits for my 8 days of Diwali. If you want to go ahead and contact them to purchase anything for men like I'm wearing today, or women or kids, I'll have their Instagram handle right here. And in my description box down below, you can go ahead and check out all of their other contact information. I'll have their address, phone number, and any other forms of communication. And just go ahead and check them out. Great prices, great quality, and great customer service and help when you go into their store. And trust me, you guys are gonna enjoy it. For Diwali, for any other holiday, or any other function you have to go to, they'll definitely have something for you. So the first step when making this cream of wheat Parsad is to start off in a small pot and heat up your milk mixture, which is going to moisten it. So in the small pot, I'm going in with some whole milk. You can use evaporated milk or whole milk or a mixture of both. And I'm also going to be adding in some brown Demerara sugar as well as some ground nutmeg. And on top of that, I'm going to be going in with some freshly ground elychee or cardamom. At this point, I'm also going to be going in with some finely chopped maraschino cherries as well as a little bit of the juice, just because I really like the color that the juice gives. And I'm also going to be going in with some golden raisins. If you did not want to put raisins, you can omit them, or if you wanted to use the regular dark golden raisins, you can also do those as well. And all we're going to do now is stir together all of these ingredients on about a medium heat until it comes up to a simmer, and then we want to leave it on the lowest heat. Remember, when you're making Parsad or anything like it, you need to make sure that the milk mixture stays hot, so this way it absorbs properly into the Parsad later on. And while your milk mixture is staying hot to the side, we are going to heat up another pan with some ghee in it. Basically what we want to do here is heat up the ghee on a medium-high heat until it is well heated so we can add in our cream of wheat. And once that ghee is heated up on that medium-high heat, it is time to go in with your cream of wheat or semolina or Suji. And all we're going to do is keep on stirring it around, and we're going to parch it for exactly 15 to 20 minutes or until you get your desired color. When I'm making this type of Parsad, I like to have it more of a golden color, but you can make it as light or as dark as you want. If you wanted it lighter in color, make sure you keep the heat regulated on a medium to medium-low heat. So I've been cooking this mixture for about 15 minutes at this point, and as you guys can see, it's taken on a nice golden brown color, and this is the color that I like. You're also going to notice that once you're stirring it around, it takes on a very loose texture with that ghee. And I'm going to be going in with some chopped pistachios and almonds just because I like the nuts in this Parsad. It adds a nice crunch. If you do not want to add it in, feel free to omit it. And all you're going to do is stir it around for just about 30 seconds so they can toast with that ghee and the semolina. And at this point, you want to make sure that your heat is on the highest heat possible, so this way the milk mixture that you add in can be absorbed properly. And the difference between cream of wheat Parsad and flour Parsad is that when you make this one, you want to stream in the milk mixture slowly. The reason being is because if you add it in too much at once, what's going to happen is it will turn like porridge or actual cream of wheat, and you don't want that. You want it to be a little thicker, a little bit fluffier, and a little more crumbly, as if you were making Parsad. So I'm just adding that milk mixture in increments, and I keep on stirring until I see that it's all absorbed into the cream of wheat. For the milk mixture that I give you in the description box down below with all of the ingredients and the measurements, you will see that that will absorb all of your cream of wheat. But every once in a while, just depending on the brand or however long the cream of wheat has been sitting on the shelf, it may take all the liquid or it may take a little less. So just keep on adding it in and go ahead and use your judgment there. I've added in all of my milk mixture at this point, and as you guys can see, it's come together very, very well. It is not sticky and tacky. It is nice and crumbly and fluffy, just how you want your Parsad to be. Look how smooth and awesome this looks. And that's it, everyone. As soon as your Parsad comes together and it absorbs all the milk, make sure you take it off of the heat right away so this way it does not dry up too much. As you guys can see, when I'm putting it into this bowl, it is still nice and smooth. It is not super crumbly, and it is also not super tacky. It is exactly the texture that you want Parsad to be. So for all of the cream of wheat parsad lovers out there who requested this recipe, thanks for letting me try it out and letting me make it for you guys on the channel, and I hope you guys enjoy. So if you all enjoyed this recipe today, please don't forget to give this a nice big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed yet. All you have to do is click that red subscribe button and click the bell notification icon, so this way you never miss out on all of my newest videos. And of course, drop those comments down below. Let me know what you thought about this cream of wheat parsad, and let me know what you guys want to see next. Stay tuned for day 6 of my 8 days of Diwali and what I'm going to be cooking up next. Again, if you are interested in Lotus Bazaar and buying something like this, or for a lady or for kids, please go ahead and check them out. The information's in my description box. Just click right below the video and all the information will be there. I'll see you guys again very soon in one of my next videos. Bye everyone.